to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha, guys. Welcome. So as you guys can see from the title, I got a Beautyforever wig, and this is a headband wig. Came with a stocking cap, the wig, and I got what you call this, a headband to go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the package. I have tried it on before, had to cheat because I had to know if I wanted to return it or not. Comes in this plastic. Inside the wig has this paper. So here's the wig. This is a body wave headband wig, and it's supposed to be in 20 inches. Alright, so what I did was slick my hair down. I'm gonna put a little picture over here of it. I slicked my hair down with gel, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the stocking cap. Sorry y'all, I'm doing a TikTok at the same time. So I've just put on the stocking cap, have my edges laid, as you guys can see, laid. Alright, and I'm just applying the stocking cap. I don't have any other stocking caps. Haven't worn here in a while. So right here I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. The wig has 4 combs, 1 at the top, 2 at the sides, and 1 at the back. I love the way it's constructed, very sturdy. The band attachment is seamless. Alright, so I'm just putting it on. I kind of want it a little further back. And then it has this Velcro strap at the back. Y'all, look at how cute this looks. Y'all, this looks so freaking good. I can pull it back even further and have more of my edges out. And just combing it out just a little bit. So it's reaching down here. Alright, so I was afraid that this was going to give me a little headache, but it's been pretty good. Look at the sides. All you see is just straight headband. So guys, I'm so happy with this. I was so nervous ordering, and yeah, I was not sent this here. I purchased this here. So I'm just putting on the headband, and super freaking cute, y'all. And I like the way I was able to get my edges to lay down and blend. So let's measure. This piece goes to 21. So I guess it's with a mixture, ends up being 20 inches. But I'm happy with the length. I'm happy that it's not curly hair that I have to wet and really maintain. So happy with this. So cute. Okay, really, really cute. Show you guys it from the back. So that's how far down it's going. And I'm happy that I don't have to worry about any lace or blending. Everything just works. And I'll leave the exact link to the hair in the description bar down below. And again, it's not sponsored. This is an honest review. If you guys want, I'll wear it for the week or so, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. So guys, it's now been about a week since I've been rocking this headband wig. I have washed the hair. I had some pros and I had some cons about this wig. So let's go. So one of the pros, it's super easy to apply to my hair. Super, super easy. At night I take it off, put it on my wig stand. In the morning I put gel on my edges, tie my edges down. By the time I'm done doing my makeup, my edges are set, and I just put the wig on and go. Okay, super easy, less than 5 minutes. to do everything. The second pro is I do like the length of the hair. So for the cons, I feel like the hair could be a bit thicker. I mean, I washed it last night for the first time and it was actually very I didn't get much shedding, and I let it air dry overnight. But the wig is still a little damp, but it's definitely thin. It's not that thick or as thick as I would like it. It's 150% density, and I guess I need 200% density because this, and I know I ordered this wig from them as well, which I'm returning. This is an 18-inch body wave wig, and I also feel like this wig, I still have the net on it, I'm returning it anyway. I feel like the hair doesn't go like 18 inches all the way down. See how thin the bottom is? Like, I prefer my wigs, you know, 18 inches is not a lot. It's not a lot of inches, you know. I can understand the 20-inch being thinner, but 18 inches shouldn't be this thin. So I was thinking about bleaching the knots last night and washing it and stuff before I install it, and then I was like, you know what? Why don't I just try to return it? Because I'm honestly not happy with it. I see that it's thin. I will say that Beautyforever's customer service is amazing. Alright, even with purchasing these two wigs, every question answered during the shipping process, every question answered. They are very, very, very good with their customer service. Emails answered. They also have a WhatsApp, questions answered. So customer service, hands down, is amazing. Even with returning the wig, I reached out to them last night, and within a couple hours they got back to me, asked me for pictures of the wig to make sure it's in the same condition. I haven't cut the lace, I haven't washed it, I haven't done anything to it, and they sent me the shipping address to go ahead and ship it back. I do have to pay for my own shipping. So guys, that's all for this part of the update. I do recommend this headband wig. Just keep in mind that it is not a thick wig. I'll leave the link to the exact link to the wig in the description bar down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Like this video, comment down below, let me know if you've tried headband wigs, if you have ordered from Beautyforever before, what your experience was. Let's chat it up in the comments. Alright, and until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You're reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think